Welcome to FoxLearn. In this video, I'll show you how to add barcode labels in local report using C# Windows Forms application. After you finish creating a new Windows Forms project, you need to open your form designer and then drag the button, label, text box, numeric up-down, and picture box controls from the Visual Studio toolbox into your form designer. You can design a simple UI that allows you to enter a barcode, then enter the number of barcodes you want to print. Next, we'll create a barcode, then add the barcode to the local report. After you finish designing the form, you need to install the BarcodeLib from Nudget into your project. On the right side of the window, select your solution. Next, right-click and select Manage Nudget Packages, then search for BarcodeLib. This is a great barcode library. It's designed to give an easy class for developers to use when they need to generate barcode images from a string of data. You can easily generate barcode images from a string using the barcode class, then display the barcode image into picture box control. If you want to display barcodes in your local report, you need to create a dataset or entity class to hold your barcode data. After you have created a dataset, you need to create a simple table with text and image columns. Next, you need to rebuild your project, then drag the dataset you created into the form designer. You should clear your data before adding it. Next, we will store the barcode data into the data table, and then use this data table as a data source for the report. To add your barcode data to the data table, you need to convert from barcode image to byte array using memory stream class. You need to install the report viewer from the Manage Nugget packages. The report viewer controls can be used to integrate reporting services RDL reports into WebForms and WinForms apps. After you have installed report viewer, you need to rebuild your project. Next, you need to create a new form, then drag the report viewer from the Visual Studio toolbox into the form you just created. Next, we will create a new report, and then design it to display barcode images. After you've finished creating your new report, you need to open the report designer, and then add the data source to your report. To display the barcode image to the local report, include text and image, you should drag a rectangle from reporting toolbox into your report designer, then place the controls on the rectangle. For each control you add to the rectangle, you need to bind it to the data source. Next, you need to drag a table from the reporting toolbox into your report designer, and then drag the rectangle into your table. Next, open your report form designer, and then set the report you want to display to the report viewer control. Finally, you need to create a report data source, then set data to your report data source, and display your report to the report viewer. You can easily configure your barcode display in two tables based on an even and odd number of rows. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.